Good morning. I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to do Google Forms. The first thing I wanted to show you is how to open Google Forms. If you go into your Drive, and if you're where you want it saved, it will save it in there. So if you go into your folder, for example, if you go into Oster Gangsters under the History folder, that is right where the Forms is going to be saved. So I'm going to go to New. And so here's where I can open my docs, sheets, and slides. But if I go to More, it gives me a whole lot more choices. And then I can go to Google Forms. Okay. And the very first thing you want to do is title it. So let's go ahead and give it a test form title. And then there we go. Our form is there. You can add a description here if you want. 5 questions about testing. Okay. So then we've got our questions. So we have a couple of options. We can do a multiple choice question, a checkbox question, a drop-down question, a paragraph, and a short answer. And there's all these other things you can take a look at. But generally, multiple choice and short answer work the best. Checkbox is also pretty good. So if we just stick with the multiple choice, so why do we test? So I've got to write some answers. So option 1, to see what we know. So then I want to add another option. So there's option 2. So let's see, to see what we don't know. And another one, because it's fun. Let's see, why isn't it letting me type? Okay, something's going on here because of course that's always what happens and you have no clue what's going on. But the answer is see we don't know, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. Mark that as my answer. Okay, hold on, I didn't want to add other, I wanted to add, let's see. You want to click on add option, don't click on add other. So that was to have fun. Okay, now we want them required to answer it, and we need to also mark which one we want it to be. So we're going to click on that one, and that's going to be the answer. Somehow it's not indicating that. We can enter a picture. Then when we want to add a new one, we go to add a question. Then we can add another question. Let's ask a short answer. And we say, what is your favorite type of tests? And if we want to add a picture, click in there. You can pull where you want the picture to do. You can just pull it from Google Drive right there. Oh, we don't want to pull it from Google Image Search. So test. There we go. Now it's uploading an image right there. Okay, so I know that we have to indicate somehow which one is the correct answer. So I'm trying to figure out why that is not indicating it. Something has changed since I've done this last. Okay, so when you want to share it with me, double click on that, go to collaborate, and then you can collaborate with somebody. Actually, all of you people are able to collaborate on it because you shared it in that form, that box that everyone has in there. So when you want to send it to everyone, and that way you want them to answer it, you click on send, and then you put all the emails of all the people you want in there. Then they'll come back and you will get responses, and you will see what people answered in that question. So I hope that tutorial helps you. So I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.